Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to display this pop-up messages inside React.js. So popper is actually a message that you can display whenever you click the button. Tooltip messages. So we have a simple example right here. So when I click the button, there is simple tooltip message which is showing right here, popper message. So you can customize the look and the feel of this message. You can change the background color, you can change the text color as well. You can change the position as well because it is displaying it at the bottom position. You can change at any location. So the package is called as, if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package React Tooltip. So this is essentially this package I'm using. This is the command here. I've already installed it. It's almost having 579,000 weekly downloads. So it's a pretty popular package. So here you can show these overlay messages. So I will show you the complete example. So just make a simple functional component, and then you need to require this. It is use popper, and it will be coming from React popper. It is almost 4 kilobyte size. And then inside our application, we need to declare some state variables for toggling the visibility of this message. We'll be having a Boolean parameter. Initial value will be false. We'll be using the useState hook. And secondly, we'll be giving it this reference element, and initial value will be null. And thirdly, we'll be having this popper element. Initial value will again be null. And lastly, we'll be having an object which will hold the style and the attributes. And for this, we are using this use popper hook that is available inside this package. So here we can define the reference element. We have passed the reference element. And then the second argument is your popper element. So this is the element on which you need to show this pop-up message, and this is the actual pop-up message. So these are the two things. Now we come to the JSX, wherever you need to display this. And in the parent div, let me give it a padding of 50 pixel and align it in the center position. And right here we'll be having this button. We will give it a reference of set reference element. We have this element right here. We are giving this property set reference element. So this button will simply say that toggle popper, and when we click this button, we'll binding this on click listener. So when we click this button, we will execute this function which is set show. And here we'll be passing the whatever is the value opposite of show variable. So if it's true, then we'll make it false. So depending upon the value of show parameter, we will show the popper message like this. So we are having this conditional JSX expression. So if the value of show is true, then in that case we'll be showing the pop-up message. For this, we'll be providing this reference, which is set popper element. And we can even give some additional styles that I showed you. You can give it a style object. So whatever is the styles of the popper. Additionally, we will change this background color to light blue, and can do this like this. Can give it a padding of 10 pixel and a border of 1 pixel solid black. And right here we'll be saying the attributes which are So this will be right here, and here you can give it a simple label that this is overlay popper tooltip. So when you click the button now, so what happens is that this tooltip show. So if you go to the browser, click on this button, and now you see this message will show here. You can change the color here. You can change it to red. So now the color of the background color changes. So in this way, you can show these nice little overlay pop-up message using this package tooltip messages. So it has got a nice little documentation. You can read it. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.